Hey everyone, I know it's a little windy today, so hopefully you can hear me, but I wanted to do a quick little check-in video. It's been a little while since I've posted on the channel. Summers are busy for me with work and stuff. I usually work 6 days a week, up to 100 hours each week, and on the weekends I don't have time for much, and I don't camp much because it's hot. I will say there's a lot of trips I don't make videos of, but I do post stuff on Instagram and TikTok. So if you haven't, I'm West OK Overland on those as well. Go check those out, please. As always, like, subscribe on all my stuff. That does help me get seen more and help the channel grow. I've made a few modifications over the summer on the rig. A lot of little stuff, kind of using up some of those Sundays I had off. So I'll do a walk around video coming up at some point, kind of just what I've changed, why I changed. But it's getting fall. I've got a couple good trips under me. There's gonna be some videos coming out pretty quick, probably this week, on some of those trips. As a lot of people know from this area, there's a rendezvous in the Ozarks coming up, and I'll be heading there as well. But hopefully I'll have some good footage, good content and stuff from those trips. So keep your eye out for that stuff. I've had a few people message me about coming out with me on trips. I do most of my group stuff through Sooner State Overland, so you'll see events and stuff on there. I do have a big one coming up in November, meet and greet, so hopefully there'll be quite a few people out for that. As far as just the small weekend stuff, message me if you want to get out. Message and see, hey, where are you going? I can't reach out to everyone and say, hey, I'm going here this weekend, do you want to go? So just let me know. As you've noticed, most of my stuff is West OK because it's where I live. It's close, it's easy, it's cheaper for me. But I do hope to do some other stuff as time allows. But anyways, I just wanted to do a quick little video just to update. I'm still here, got some big changes coming, the channel's growing. So keep your eye out for all that stuff. I'll see you on the trail someday.